we are going to make a cheesy tuna pie. So we have here the ingredients. It's up to you what you want to mix up for your tuna pie. So as for me, we have the seasonings, the flavoring powder, or what we call the bitsin, the salt, and the black pepper or paminta. Now we are going to mix these with onion, lady's choice, and especially the tuna. My favorite would be flakes and all, but due to scarcity we don't have it. After you mix these, you are going to place them in one pan. We are going to remove the crust and then place the mixed ingredients with a slice of cheese, and then dip it in the egg and cover it with breadcrumbs. That's what we're going to do today. Let's get started. We have here the materials needed: at least 3 bowls, a whisk, a clamp or a tong, at least 2 plates, a knife, and a chopping board.